Digital Media Studio creates all kinds of videos for all kinds of products. Filmed on set, in the studio, or on location, our talented team of designers create engaging and persuasive digital media content. Motion graphics, actors, extras or presenters tell your story and sell your products and services.
Hi there and welcome to Grapple HQ. I'm the Grapple researcher and I'm here today to speak to Ed Lee, the CTO of the company. So let's go find him.
This is the Safety First travel system. It's an entry-level travel system. It costs £150, which gets you everything that you see here.